Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi dengan saya Dia Ivanovic. Salam sejahtera untuk teman-teman semua. Sehat selalu, semoga diberikan keselamatan dan rezeki yang berlimpah dimanapun kalian semua berada. Oke teman-teman, kali ini ada sebuah video yang menunjukkan ramai warga asing atau bule-bule terkejut saat pertama kali datang ke Malaysia. Bagaimana reaksi dan pernyataan dari bule-bule tersebut? Yuk langsung saja kita tonton video berikut ini ya teman-teman.
Southeast Asia, you'll get used to all the tuk-tuk drivers, all the people that hustle you on the streets for money. It gets very annoying, but here in Malaysia, there is no hustlers. It's just you on the streets.
It's my first day in Kuala Lumpur. I've never been to Malaysia before, so I'm so excited to explore. We've just come out and we're going to head to one of the malls here. The one we've come to is called the Pavilion, and it looks like there's loads of cafes here. Just walking into it now, but there's so much. Oh my God, we're actually going to be in Malaysia for the next month, so we've got so much time here. So if there's anything that you think I should go see, things to do, any kind of just recommendations, please let me know.
In Malaysia, if you want to cross the road, you just need to use a power on your hand. So let's try it. Okay, let's go. It's more, guys.
So
This is what I thought about Malaysia before to come here. I think my biggest shock has been how kind people are here. People are just very, very, very nice. It's probably the only country I feel this safe. Even in Thailand, I didn't feel as safe as in Malaysia. But before to come here, the crazy thing is that I thought it was going to be the opposite. I thought Malaysia would be a little bit more dangerous and I have to be careful more. But I am in KL right now and I feel like I can go pretty much everywhere and nobody's going to rob me. The second thing I've been the most surprised of is all these buildings here. Look, all of these buildings were not here 20 years ago. I talked to some people, everything, this and that, and the Merdeka Tower, none of this existed before. Everything is new. Look at these roads. These roads, like, it just looks like a European country. I didn't expect at all. I feel like I'm in the Switzerland of Southeast Asia. The only thing is that it's much hotter. In terms of climate, it's pretty much what I expected. It's a hot country, but there's so much I can say about the Malaysian culture. And if you have never discovered that, I really recommend you to come here and to experience that by yourself.
Best things about Malaysia.
I like the cost of living versus quality of life balance here. It is not mega expensive like some capitals in Asia, like Singapore, like Tokyo, like Hong Kong. At the same time, it offers a fairly high quality of life, and I mean such things as safety, medicine, education, availability of anything basically in terms of food, restaurant, brands. You can feel the difference when you are here versus many other countries in ASEAN. One of the ways to see that it is actually true is that many citizens of other ASEAN countries, regional countries, work in Malaysia. So which means Malaysia offers a fairly high lifestyle to be attractive enough to people from the 12 other countries from the region to come here to work. So yeah, that's a nice part. And yet you don't have to pay a bomb.
This has been the craziest journey in my life. 3 months ago, I come here in Malaysia, new country, coming from Thailand. Nobody knew me. I was a total stranger. And then I just don't know what happened. The whole country saw one of my videos. Everyone started following me. Everyone started engaging me. It was crazy. I became recognized everywhere in the streets. Everyone knew my face. In about 1, 2, 3 days, my life was totally different. I'm leaving tomorrow and I don't know how I feel. Feeling very emotional right now. Thousands of comments every day. That has been a really, really crazy journey. But at the same time, I'm so grateful because you're from Malaysia watching right now. I want to deeply thank you for trusting me with it. You have the truth that it's possible, whether making videos, whether traveling, whether, I don't know, maybe you like the way I communicate, confidence. Doesn't matter how I inspire you. You gotta keep in mind that I'm here to show you that it's possible. This life is hard, but it's possible. I don't want to remember the moment when I had just a normal job and I was doing that every single day was same. Every day was the same. Now I got to have an extraordinary life, being able to travel the world, being able to pretty much do what I want. And I am very grateful for that. And I really want you to start asking yourself the right questions. Malaysia, if you are Malaysian, I love you so much. Saya anak Malaysia. I couldn't do it without you.
Nah, itu videonya teman-teman. Oke teman-teman, dari video tersebut bisa kita simpulkan bahwa kita tidak boleh atau jangan memberikan suatu penilaian negatif terlebih dahulu terhadap suatu tempat atau negara yang belum pernah kita kunjungi. Memang ya teman-teman, di semua tempat, di semua negara itu pasti ada kelebihan dan kekurangannya. Benar nggak? Ya kan? Tergantung dari kita memandang itu dari sudut apa. Dan apa yang dikatakan oleh bule-bule tersebut itu terjadi pada saya juga teman-teman. Ketika kita berada di jalanan Malaysia, kita tidak akan menemukan gate atau pemandu-pemandu yang ramai sekali menawarkan jasa mereka untuk mendapatkan uang. Nah, tidak ada teman-teman ya. Mungkin ada, tetapi sangat sedikit sekali. Yang dari Filipina, dia menilai mungkin Malaysia akan lebih buruk dari Filipina untuk kejahatannya. Namun setelah datang ke Malaysia, dia merasa sangat aman karena setelah berjalan ke sana ke sini tidak ada perompak. Memang aman sekali ya. Nah, kalau kita lihat ya, seperti parkir motor, mobil itu nggak ada tukang parkir di jalanan membunyikan peluit sana sini, itu tidak ada teman-teman. Mobil-mobil dan motor-motor itu terparkir rapi, tidak ada yang mencuri begitu. Ada lagi yang bilang bahwa di Malaysia itu sara hidupnya, kos hidup di sana itu murah dengan kualitas yang bagus. Kalau menurut saya sih begitu. Untuk seperti penginapan-penginapan, seperti makanan, mall-mall itu menurut saya tidak terlalu mahal. Ada juga tadi yang bilang Malaysia itu layaknya negara-negara di Eropa untuk bangunan-bangunannya. Wow, sampai segitu ya teman-teman, sampai memberikan penilaian bahwa bangunan-bangunan di Malaysia itu seperti bangunan-bangunan di Eropa. Kita tidak usah jauh-jauh ke Eropa lah kalau begitu. Di Malaysia pun sudah sama ya. Dan untuk tempat-tempat kafe, mall, tadi juga bilang di setiap tempat itu sangat ramai kafe ya teman-teman. Kita tidak kesulitan untuk mencari tempat shopping. Semenjak datang di Malaysia, bule tersebut ada yang menjadi terkenal, merubah hidup dia. Yang sebelumnya dia itu biasa-biasa saja, dan sekarang dia itu menjadi terkenal di mana-mana. Sebenarnya masih banyak lagi teman-teman kejutan-kejutan yang dialami oleh warga asing, termasuk saya sendiri yang baru datang ke Malaysia, baru berkunjung ke Malaysia. Teman-teman, mungkin teman-teman bisa menambahkan apa yang menjadikan Malaysia itu sebagai satu negara yang patut untuk dikunjungi oleh semua warga yang ada di dunia. Dan oke teman-teman, apabila ada salah kata dari saya dari awal sampai akhir, saya mohon maaf yang sebesar-besarnya. Terima kasih sudah menyokong channel saya ini. Sampai ketemu di video berikutnya. Saya Dia Ivanovic. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.